In my first video on basic hydroponics, we discussed what you need to get started. In that we used Ikea vaxer starter plugs, which were 5p each. But if you're looking to move to larger scale production, it's imperative that you reduce overheads to maximise profitability. I picked up in my local hydroponic shop a 1 metre stone wall Growdan for £4. These can be bought on Amazon, but they start at about £10. If you can cut these into 2.5cm blocks, you can easily get 40 blocks out of a metre. And if you can cut them into 21 cubes, you can get about 840 cubes from a 1 metre Growdan, which is less than half a penny or even half a cent per cube. The Growdans are not as absorbent as the Ikea starter plugs. But they do work. And here we have 50 previously cut germinating Growdan cubes in preparation for my next video. So do remember, hit the subscribe and sow seed to succeed.